Hello, and welcome to Dystopian Electronics Workshop. Every year, more than 20 tons of electronics are thrown away. At Dystopian Electronics Workshop, we harvest this waste stream to build cool experiments and upgrade our workshop. Today, what we're going to do is give a brief introduction to what we hope to accomplish here at Dystopian Electronics Workshop, as well as go over the rules for projects and let you know some ways that you can support us. First, let's go over our project rules. Number 1, all electronics must be harvested from items that have been scavenged, either recovered from the trash or recycling. Gifts and donations don't count. Number 2, tools and non-electronic components don't have to be scavenged, but it is preferred. Number 3, any money spent on project electronics must be disclosed. On rare occasions, there may be components that need to be purchased to complete a project, or fees might have to be paid to scavenge items. Our goal is that everything in the workshop will have been scavenged, repaired, or created right here in the workshop. Any items added to the workshop are tracked in our inventory located on the website. Some of the experiments we want to work on in the future are energy storage and generation systems, security systems, communications, entertainment, just general fun projects. By popular request, we are going to build a robot. To learn more about Dystopian Electronics Workshop, check out our website at dystopianelectronicsworkshop.com, where you can view all of our videos and product reviews, buy Dystopian Electronics Workshop merchandise, and support us by joining the Society of Doers at the Underground Workshop. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to get notified when there are new videos available. Please leave a comment, and if you have any questions, I'll address them in a future video. Ultimately, we want to show what can be done with what others see as trash and encourage you to get out there and do something.